Hello everyone, thanks for watching my video again. Um, Today's tutorial just show you the effect about how to adding some leaf and leaf white or maybe some oaky white on the following. Just want to show you the effect. I'm not going to show you the detail about how to set up the rectangle stand and how to make the flower ball because I already took 2 videos to show you in very detail. If you are interested, you can watch my uh, tutorial. You can find the link on the information field below this video. Today I just want to share you some little experience uh, when I make add the leaf on here. Some little experience want to share you. Okay, I use 2 type of the leaf. This small leaf and this large leaf because I don't want the design very simple. I want to be more natural. So I wanted 2 type of the flower, the leaf, rose leaf. And when I add the leaf, I use a lot of this small leaf because the size match our middle rose well. Just maybe 3 or 4 small quantity of this large leaf. When I'm adding this leaf, if you add the leaf all in one direction, the come out is not good, not nature. So the experience I want to show you is you want to make the leaf, you need to insert the leaf on the ball frame in different size. The better way is, for example, you put one leaf face up and then put another leaf face down. So you can see the leaf on different direction. So the come out will be much more better. And about the leaf white, the leaf white is necessary. It's must be item. Same as the flower white, you can connect 2 or 3 of it to make any length you want, like this. So just insert the leaf white on the ball frame will be okay. The spine. Okay. I use 2 types of the leaf white because I don't want it so much simple. Look at this. I insert the white on the ball frame. And this side I insert on the ball frame. And about this leaf, can you see it? I rest the leaf white along the stand because this kind of the leaf this is iron wire, so you can rest it. Okay. So I got the leaf design like this, and then okay, and then let's hang up the bubble. The detail about making the bubble, link up the bubble with the bee chain and our iron hook. You can check my old video. You can find the link on information field below this video. Okay, I will show you the effect after I hang up the bubble and the bee chain. Okay, look at this. Do you like it? In fact, put some LED candle on in the bubble. The effect will be much more pretty. Okay, and then I know you like some orchid flower, so I will add some orchid. Using our orchid flower wine. Our orchid flower wine is very long, about 1.5 meter long. It's very useful. And if you don't want that long, you can cut them off. Cut to get any length you want. And there's iron wire inside, so you can make a hook and hang on the flower ball. I will show you the effect. Okay, completed. Let's check it in detail. This is this face, and let me just turn it on. Look at the orchid wine. When you put the orchid wine here, please do not just put all the wine on the top. That will make the orchid wine pop up, not nature. Just push it inside the flower. Cover some with the leaf and other flowers, so the come out will be much more nature, and the flower can go well with each other. Okay, let's check it in this angle. Because I'm holding the camera, holding the film, so the effect cannot show you the effect very well. But in fact, the come out is very pretty. Okay, and then let's check it by here. Okay, like this, and go on. stop 1 or 2 seconds so that you can see the effect. Okay, go on. Okay, look at this, the flower. I push the flower in the middle, inside the flower ball. Okay then, this is today's tutorial. If you want to know the detail about how to make the flower ball, hang up the bubble, and how to set up the stand, please check the old video. You can find the link on the information field below this video. And if you want to buy the material, you can find the link on the information field to my blogs to check the detail and the price. Message me by Facebook for the code. And please do me a favor to do not skip the advertisement if you watch my video. Thank you for your supporting. Okay, bye bye.